Hi everybody, it's Marissa Runyon here with ET Style, and it's the day after the Golden Globes. And I'm here with celebrity makeup artist to the stars, Charlotte Tilbury.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. So you did my face this morning exactly like one of your clients from last night, Penelope Cruz.
Darling, well, you're gorgeous. It's just heaven.
So tell us a little bit about last night.
Penelope's been a huge inspiration for me forever. I mean, I've done her makeup for, I don't know how long now, maybe like 15 years or something insane. So I do a lot of her red carpets, if ever, whenever there's a kind of Oscar or a Globe moment or whatever, I'm always there with her. So last night she was wearing, we always look, whenever I start a red carpet makeup, it's always about the outfit. What are they wearing? What are they channeling? How their hair's going to be. So we were looking at her outfit. It was this amazing Ralph and Russo dress that obviously you saw with the beautiful kind of diamantes, sort of multicoloured diamantes. And it was just a very graphic, beautiful kind of 1950s sort of corset. And we were looking at, and she always loves to do a smoky eye. So, smoky eye pale. I mean, that's kind of her signature. She's very like that kind of Dolce Vita kind of woman. That sort of, that you sort of think of. I always sort of, think of her and Sophia Loren and all those kind of beauties.
Yes.
We also used all the kind of bronzy hues which you see on your eyes, which really, they bring out that amazing kind of bronzy amber sparkle in your eyes. And
I do love the color, because with dark eyes, sometimes you don't really know which kind of colors are going to really make your eyes look brighter. So
exactly, because it is really a modern smoky eye. We also use that kind of wonderful, which you've got on, gorgeous, that nudie pink lip that just really makes the eyes pop.
Absolutely.
So,
if you're wearing a bright eye, you want to keep everything
nude. You want to keep everything a little bit nude, but it still kind of gives you a very luscious lip. That sort of pillowy, gorgeous lip.
Luscious.
It's very complimentary and it's gorgeous with your skin tone. It still has that kind of dreamy, pinky, soft.
It's always hard to find a good nude.
Yes, it is.
So when you do, it's like you buy 4. How much time do you get to come up with the look? Are you doing it the night of, or are you doing it at fitting?
No, we know each other so well now, but most of the time, with her, it's like we just look at the dress and she's like, loves all the kind of looks I've done on her over the years, and she's like, okay, we look at the dress and we love the sparkle and wanted to kind of bring that to the eyes. So with
you
her,
have a real shorthand with her.
We have a real shorthand, and we've known each other for such a long time, and she knows my signature style, and I'm really known for doing those kind of quite mesmerizing eyes.
What's the vibe like getting ready for the Golden Globes?
It's very exciting. We always chat, we always have fun.
Is she getting ready at home or in a hotel room?
No, it depends. Sometimes in a hotel room, sometimes at home.
What about last night?
Last night at home in LA. So it was, it's always fun. And Pablo, her hairdresser, we've worked together for years. So, we all speak Spanish. I speak Spanish.
Oh my goodness,
so we all
wild.
speak Spanish, and it's just really fun. It's like old friends coming together.
So what would you say is the most important step of a makeup for the red carpet?
Prepping your skin is incredibly important. So, multi-masking. A lot of the actresses in Hollywood before a red carpet, they will go to their facialist, they don't drink, they'll gym, all of that sort of stuff. They really kind of prep their skin. You really see that amazing glowing skin. And so when you put makeup on it, it glides on it. All the pores are closed. It doesn't sit in the pores. It smooths over everything. So I have to say, starting off by prepping your skin is incredibly important.
When you're doing a man for the red carpet, what are the steps there?
Okay, so same. Always, man or woman, prep, prime the skin. You want a beautiful painting, you have to have a beautiful canvas. So, I don't know if you saw the videos yesterday of Darren Criss and
Kristen Bell and Dax Shepard.
Yeah, exactly. And all putting on this. They were using my Dry Sheet Magic Facial Mask, and this is amazing.
That's amazing. So tell us a little bit about that.
You look a little bit scary when you put it on, but my God, does it work.
So men are wearing makeup on the carpet. It's just a fact.
It's a fact. It's a fact of life.
What would you say is the biggest red carpet tip or trick that we can actually use in our everyday lives? Because obviously we're not getting ready for the red carpet every day, but women wear makeup every day. So
absolutely.
What should we be doing?
And I think if you think about last night's trends and you're looking at it, I actually think a lot of those women, you would want to look like that every day. Do you know what I mean? There's a lot of it, because it was very dreamy, soft makeup. It wasn't like a really bold, strong, it was like very dreamy kind of makeup. And if you look at Kristen Bell, for instance, she had on my Pillow Talk look, which is this gorgeous,
beautiful palette of colors.
And it's this beautiful palette of colours. And they're very, dreamy, soft, pinky, ambery, rose hues.
Really wearable.
Really, really wearable. And exactly, if you think about a lot of those looks yesterday, and Pillow Talk lipstick as well, so this is a whole collection. This lipstick...
Would you say these colors would work on any skin tone?
These work on all skin tones. That's what's kind of amazing about it. You know, even like, you know, right down to dark skin tones, a lot of these colors, they just like highlight dreamy colors and they just give them that very soft, dreamy look. And I mean, I've used them on Naomi Campbell. I mean, they're just really fabulous colors. Rachel Brosnahan, actually, we did Sexy Sienna.
Oh, beautiful.
So this is actually a lipstick colour that I created for my friend Sienna Miller for the red carpet, and I've used it on her
Casual.
a million times. And actually, so we used it on Rachel Brosnahan last night with my Venus lip liner together, and that was sort of like a color. She had that wonderful yellow dress. I've given you all my secrets. I can't believe it.
I love all the secrets, and I am so excited that I'm looking at least 1% more like Penelope Cruz today.
Darling, you're gorgeous. I mean, you're gorgeous, but
Thank you.
I think makeup heaven, right? It just makes us look and feel the most beautiful versions of ourselves.
It does, it does. Thank you so much, Charlotte. This was such a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks
for
so much
sharing
fun.
all of your tips. Check out ET Online. We have so much coverage on the Golden Globes and a lot more from Charlotte.